Today is my birthday. I am 7 years old today. I am very happy. But something is not right.
Good morning, Emily. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mom.
Happy birthday, Emily.
Thank you, Dad. Are you staying home today?
I need to go to work for a short time. It is important work.
Today? But today is my birthday.
I will come back soon.
I hope you come back before the cake.
I will try my best.
I feel happy.
Emily, your friends are here.
I am coming. Happy birthday, Emily.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Welcome to my party.
The room looks beautiful.
I like the balloons. Let's play a game. Okay! Okay, my turn. Nice move, Lily. But I also feel nervous. It's okay, Emily. We're here with you. I hope Dad comes soon. Mom, where is Dad?
He is still at work. He will come soon.
I feel sad. My dad is not here. Can we eat the cake now? You only think about food. I am just hungry. Do whatever you want. I feel angry. I feel upset. Emily, why are you angry? I am not angry. You sound angry. I feel sad. I feel upset. My dad is not here. Did I do something wrong? No, you did nothing wrong. It's okay, Emily.
Emily, it is okay to feel sad, but it is not okay to hurt people.
I know, Mom.
What is it, Emily?
I think I hurt him. I feel lonely. I feel bad.
Happy birthday, Emily.
Dad loves me. He did not forget me. I was angry. But being angry is not a reason to hurt someone. I was wrong. I hurt Lucas's feelings. I need to say sorry. Lucas,
Yes?
I was wrong. I was angry. I hurt your feelings. I am sorry.
It is okay.
Really? Yes. I was only hungry. He is always hungry. That is true.
I am proud of you, Emily. Saying sorry is brave.
Thank you for waiting. Now can we eat the cake? Yes, let's eat the cake.
Make a wish, Emily.
I still wish Dad was here.
I am home!
Dad!
I am sorry I am late.
I missed you.
I would never forget your birthday. Mom told me you said sorry to your friend.
Yes. I felt sad. I felt angry. But I learned something.
What did you learn?
It is okay to feel sad. It is okay to feel angry. But it is not okay to hurt people. And saying sorry is things better.
That is a very good lesson.
I am very proud of you.
I am proud of myself too.
Happy birthday, Emily! Thank you, everyone!